Just like when writing and working with chemical equations, nuclear equations help us to keep track of all the involved particles. Additionally, we need to keep track of the energy transfer. The way to write and balance nuclear equations is different than the way it's done in writing and balancing chemical equations. Here are the rules that we're going to follow as we move forward. Number 1, we will assign each particle a superscript that is equal to its mass number and a subscript that's equal to its atomic number. Number 2, a free proton is basically the nucleus of hydrogen atoms, and we would notate them like this. Number 3, a free neutron is assigned a 0 for an atomic number because it doesn't have a charge. The mass number is 1, and the full notation for a neutron is written like this.